Hi, I'm Darcy Chan Blackburn, and I'm one of the educators on the negotiations team who met with the district today. I'm going to share an update about how our bargaining over deferred net payment, also called DNP, went today, and I will also share what to expect in the coming days. So here are some highlights from the meeting today. We pressed the district to explain how July deductions will be impacted by the much lower gross pay anticipated. And SFUSD agrees that July's pay will be lower because they didn't adjust their calculations to reflect a 6-month period using Empower instead of the originally planned 12-month pay period of using Empower. We were clear that our early education teachers are 12-month employees and they should not have DNP deductions. And we continue to talk in caucus about solutions to the DNP disaster that will allow members to be confident that they can manage their financial situation come July. Tomorrow, we expect to present an MOU with demands around their communication with members around all parts of our paychecks, communication around help tickets, and we are planning to demand additional compensation to make members whole. If you have additional questions, please email askuesf@uesf.org and someone will get back to you. We have negotiations tomorrow with the district from 2 to 5, and we will be back with another update in the evening. Be sure to check your emails and social media for further updates. Good night.